Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on a company that I've heard about through Instagram. It's called Insert Name Here. I follow a lot of influencers on Instagram that follow this brand that have worn their ponies, their extensions, and so when this brand reached out to me and asked if I could review their products, I was like, oh my god, like yes, I'm so excited. They did send me these products. I didn't pay for them. I'm just gonna be giving you my full 100% honest truth, and we'll let you know the pros and cons of the items that I'm gonna be reviewing to you guys today. And yeah, I just hope you guys like this video. If you're interested to see what I am going to review, then please keep on watching. So what I'm going to be reviewing today are ponies from this brand called Insert Name Here, INH. And as I said before in the intro, I've seen people on Instagram with their ponies, with their extensions, and when I first saw them, I was like, wow, that looks so pretty. Like, I've always wanted something, like I've always wanted to buy extensions, ponies, stuff like that, but they are just so expensive. I took a look on the website and noticed that they had a variety of different things, not only ponytails, they have wigs, they have extensions, they have so many different things for so many different hair colors. They have just plain, regular hair, they have ombre, they have, colorful hair, and I love that because it's not just like just simple stuff. They make sure to be creative and, be inclusive as well. So the stuff that I'm seeing on their website are bundles and sets, ponies, buns, bangs, wigs, and accessories, which their accessories, they only have, I think, 2. If you're not sure what color extensions will match your hair, they will absolutely help you 100%. Their customer service is amazing. The girl that I spoke to asked for a picture of my hair and she automatically matched me with one of their ponies, and it was just so quick and so easy. Just off the bat, when I received it and I saw it and I tried it on, I was like so impressed because it just felt like my hair. Like, I didn't have a wig or anything or like a pony extensions or nothing. It just felt like my hair. It comes in this little like clear bag, and I thought it was so funny because at the top it says, I hope it's a pony, which is super cute. I love the packaging. So on the back it shows you tips and tricks on how to style your hair. And if you're having difficulties, it just basically gives you steps on how to do it properly. So now I'm going to be opening up. This one is in the style Brit dark brown. So it comes in this little like hairnet thing to protect the pony. I'm going to try to back up and see if I can show you guys. So what I like about this specific pony is that it's not pinned straight. It has a little curl at the bottom. I love that they have this little curl. This curl is mainly to wrap it around your hair like this, and so it can hide the Velcro right here. This is what it looks like. Now it brings like the bobby pins as well, so that when you wrap this piece of hair around your ponytail, you can just pin it down. This is a long silky ponytail with loose curls towards the end. It is 26 inches. It has a Velcro wrap base. It can be worn as a high, mid, low pony or even braided. And the cost of this ponytail is $49. So it says that all of their ponies are made from the highest quality Japanese synthetic fibers, which looks and feels completely natural. Now I agree with this pony. It feels like real hair, really natural. Detail, just look at it, look at it. Inches, honey, inches. Thank you. Next. So it brings this little baggie to put in your pony as well, which I thought is super cute. It says insert name here. I love this like lilac purple color as well, and I just love how you can like tighten it and loosen it. It's really easy to open up, and you can also just fold it up if you don't want to use it, and that's it. So this is the next pony they sent me, which is Ariana in black brown. It is a long straight ponytail, 35 inches. Now let's just compare really quick. Brit is 26 inches. Ariana is 35 inches. That is an extra 9 inches, okay? It has a Velcro wrap base, as all of their ponies have. It can be worn as high, mid, low pony or braided. It has sold out 4 times. It is limited edition, and it is seen on Ariana Grande in her In Your Head music video. By the way, I love Ariana Grande, so yes, queen, get it. The price on this pony is $65. So it is a little bit more expensive, but it makes sense because it is a lot longer than the other one. Like I said before, all of their ponies are made from the highest quality Japanese synthetic fibers, which looks and feels completely natural. We all know that I love Brit and I love how it feels. I love the length. Now let's just see Ariana and see how long it is and how it looks. This one also comes in this little hairnet just to kind of protect it, not get it tangled or anything. This one is really, really long though, so let's just show you guys really quick how long this ponytail is. This is Ariana in the shade black brown. Just like the other pony, it has this little curled piece of hair to wrap around the Velcro to kind of hide it. It has the same thing, the base where you put your ponytail, and the clip where you just pin it down. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you guys a quick comparison of both of the ponies just to show you how long both of them are. So this is Brit and this is Ariana. So I'm going to need to stand up probably. I don't even think you can even see the whole thing. Now comes the part where I'm going to show you how to put on these ponies, and I'm going to compare both of them and give you my final thoughts. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is obviously put your hair in a high ponytail. Now, I already have like pretty long hair. Let's just tie it as high as possible and as tight as we can. So you're going to grab this clip and you're going to pin it right on the base of your ponytail to wrap that piece around. So yeah, I'm really surprised because it does not feel heavy. It's just mainly the base of my head, like the base of the ponytail is what really feels heavy. I would use, oh my god, I'm sitting on my hair. This goes completely past my butt. Obviously you can feel the Velcro. The base is what kind of bothers me because it is really tight. Not only did I put 2 ponytails, I put the Velcro around it and I put the bobby pins. So it is a lot of things that are holding this ponytail down, so you can kind of feel like it is heavy only in the base of the ponytail, not the actual ponytail itself. The ponytail itself is not heavy whatsoever. Even though it is pretty long, it is pretty thick, it does not feel heavy compared to the feeling up here. So another thing is that the Velcro wrap base, it kept getting stuck to my hair and even to the ponytail's hair. So that's annoying because you kind of have to like rip it out because it is Velcro. It gets stuck in there. You kind of have to like try to do it gently, if not it'll rip it out. So next I'm going to show you how I apply Brit, and it has to be one of my favorite ponytails. Between the two, it is my favorite. Honestly, I could have done better at spraying down my hair. This is just a little quick tutorial on how to apply the pony onto your ponytail. Just make sure that your ponytail is pretty high up and make sure it's secure and tight, because if not, the ponytail will fall out. Grab your clip, pin it down. Then you're going to wrap the hair around it. Then you're going to take your bobby pins So this pony is not past my butt like Ariana was. It is 26 inches. It has loose curls at the end, which is one of the things that I really love about this ponytail. It does feel really soft, softer than Ariana does. The price is $49. The price of Ariana is $65. So you have quite a little bit of a difference there. Alright guys, so one of the most exciting things about this video is that they have given me a discount code for all of you guys to use on their products. If you guys do end up getting any of their products, make sure to use my discount code NatalieR10 in all caps. It'll give you 10% off site-wide. So any of the items you buy, whether it be bangs, extensions, ponies, you will get 10% off if you guys use my code. I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, so that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It'll be down below. Also, don't forget to like this video and comment down anything else that you guys want to see from me, whether it be makeup, fashion, anything, vlogs. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.